when you do the calibration, choose the parameter setting. And then for instrument calibration, it is to calibrate the pH. You can choose the buffer solution 4, 7, and also 10. For calibration the free chlorine, and you have to choose the curve calibration, and then you have to open this valve, and also get the water sample from the sampling point, and then choose the standard sample 1 and input the value from there. You can say use a hack instrument, portable hack instrument to test the water sample and input the value here.